safe in the garage because I've got a right to keep Ashil's stuff safe in the storeroom. He's got one pair of shoes and clothes and his blanket, and if that goes missing, we can't afford to replace. The lawyer has paid me $2,500 to buy Ashil clothes and shoes, which I've done. It's not fair to damage and have his stuff stolen and missing from your property over and over and over again. Please give me the back room key.
I won't. Get out.
Why not? So if the stuff gets stolen, you're not willing to be responsible for Ashil's stuff on your property. Is that correct?
Monica, just phone Nicholas for me. I'm going to the police station. I'm sick and tired of her shit. I'm going to report her. She's under restraining order and she's still coming and demanding from me.
Is Ashil not entitled to his shoes, his blanket and his clothes because it's on your property? Is that what you're saying? You've got a right.
The doctor's letter with me. He tell them what the doctor said, what I must do, and she's coming and upsetting me. You must fucking lock her up.
So you're not concerned about the money we spend, Ashil spends on essential things like clothes and shoes and blankets for his use. You're not worried about that. Even if because it's on your property, you're not concerned if it goes missing. How much it costs?
I'm going to tell him to take that things out of the lounge and go throw it in the street. Watch me.
I'm going to send this to